Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver. Make sure to have a clean workspace to keep your parts organized. First, disconnect your Dyson SV10 from the power source. Safety is paramount. Remove the dust container and set it aside. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the top cover. There are 4 screws located on the top. Carefully keep these in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the top cover off. You may need to apply a bit of pressure, as it can be secured with clips. With the cover removed, you'll see the motor assembly. It's usually held in place by a few more screws. Using your Torx screwdriver, remove these screws. Take note of their locations, as this will help during reassembly. If you notice any dust buildup, now is an excellent time to clean the area with a soft brush. This will ensure your vacuum runs efficiently after the repair. Next, disconnect the motor's electrical connector. Be cautious to avoid damaging any wires. If you're unsure about handling this, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your vacuum is handled correctly. Now, lift the motor out of the housing. Compare the new motor with the old one to confirm they match. If you find that you don't have the tools to complete this task, keep in mind we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. Once you have the new motor, place it into the housing and reconnect the electrical connector. Ensure it's secure. Then, reattach the screws you removed earlier using the Torx screwdriver. Make sure everything is tightly secured to avoid any movement during operation. After that, take the top cover and position it back onto the vacuum. Align it carefully with the clips and press down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert the 4 Phillips screws to secure the cover. Now it's time for a final check. Inspect the vacuum to ensure everything is in its proper place and there are no loose parts. If you want peace of mind, remember we provide a quote before repair should you decide to seek professional help. Finally, reconnect your Dyson SV10 to the power source and test it out. If all goes well, your vacuum should now be functioning like new. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out, as we can assist without any calls or travel needed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.